Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine, and I thought I'd bring you with while I put together some overnight oats in my new favorite little half pint wide mouth jars. So super simple recipe. Everything has to do with a half, so it's so easy to remember. So I thought I'd bring you with, so come on with. Okay friends, we are going to put this together. I have 4 samples over here to show you at the end, but it literally is a half a cup and half a tablespoon of things. So you want to start out with your dry ingredients first, and I just have my oats. I've got everything transferred into jars right now because we're getting to the end of our season and I wanted to get rid of the packaging. So I'm literally just taking a half a cup of oats and putting them in my little half pint little jar. And I found the wide mouth. I love wide mouth, but they do make like the little jelly jars too. So you just take that, and I did do 1 sample of steel cut oats as well. There's a little bit of a difference. These are more chunky, which are the regular oats, and then steel cut are just a little more chopped up. And they have different health benefits, which you can look up. So we've added the half a cup of oats. And then I'm going to do the other dry thing, which is the chia seed. And this is optional, but chia seed has so many health benefits. And I'm just doing a half a tablespoon of that. You add it right to the mix. And then, because it's dry still, I'm just going to kind of give it a little swirl. And at this point too, if you did want to add, you know, cinnamon and a few other things, you can, but I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible. And then we've got your sweetener. So I am still using up my maple syrup. So I am going to add that, and I'm adding the half a tablespoon of that. And set that there. And then I did throw my milk carton away, but this is my almond milk. So I am putting a half a cup of that in. And then we'll just blend it together. And it all fits really nicely in these jars, which is what I like. And we're just gonna mix it together. And then you put it in the refrigerator overnight. And I'll show you what that looks like. So put that in the fridge, which I will be doing. I'm getting down there for my breakfast items, so I really love this little quick recipe. And so the other things that I did, so I wanted to show you, so this is the difference. So this is the steel cut oats, is just a little more chunky, but it just kind of is similar to regular oatmeal, and it's cold, the cold version of it. And it's just like, you know, like I said, it's just one of those things that you can make for yourself. You don't have to buy it if you have oats around. And threw a little cinnamon in there for some flavor, and threw it on my counter, but that's fine. And I'm probably going to have this as a snack. That's the other thing, a healthy snack for you that keeps you full for longer. So there's that. Delicious. Let's see, and then this is the regular oats, which you can see. And for that one, I'm just going to put a few pieces of fruit on top of it, call it good. And then the other one is, this is my chocolate version. So I just added some cacao, or you can do cocoa powder as well. And that's really fun. So I thought for this one, it would be cute to add. I've got mini chocolate chips, so I'm just doing 1 teaspoon of mini chocolate chips. So that's like a nice little decadent dessert. And close that back up. And then the last one here. So I thought that was fun for the chocolate. And then the last one here, I'm trying not to get it all over the place. So I added my peanut butter powder. So it's a little bit of peanut butter in there. And I thought it would be fun to add some sliced almonds to that one. And you know, the recipe is just like a base recipe. I should show you. Just a base recipe, and you can just be as creative as you want with it. So add those dry ingredients, add the wet ingredients, add extra fruit. You can do so many things. And so right now it's liquid until everything expands. It's actually already thickening up, as you can see. But overnight oats in the fridge, just make a whole bunch of little jars at once and forget about them overnight, and then the next morning they're ready. So just thought I'd show you, and we'll close up the video. Okay friends, another super simple recipe. Really easy to remember. Half a cup, half a cup, half a tablespoon of all the goodies that you'd like to put in. So I am gonna enjoy the one with the fresh fruit, and here's the consistency of it. It's a little bit thicker, but I swear it'll keep you fuller for longer, so you're not going in and grabbing those extra snacks. So I just thought I'd bring you with while I put this together. And if you like videos like this, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Oh yeah. And I am going to whip together some overnight oats. Oh, and my doorbell just rang. Hold that thought. Tablespoon of this, and I have half a tablespoon. Glory be. So if you appreciate videos like this, sugar, Hallie. So if you like videos like this, gosh.